Now, for anyone who's scratching their head right now, hardwiring basically involves an electrician coming into your home, installing the radiator and physically connecting it to the mains of your house. Now, if you're planning on installing more than one, maybe two of these heaters in your home, or you want a suitable radiator fitted in your bathroom, then hardwiring is a must. Don't worry, it's a relatively straightforward job for a professional, but I definitely recommend carrying out the work before you decorate. So to answer the original question, whether your radiators need hardwiring or not really depends on a number of factors. It's also important to check the manual first, as this should give you more information about your specific heater and whether it needs to be hardwired or not. Now, in the case of the IQ ceramic, you can wall mount it yourself. Having said that, if you're looking at having multiple IQ ceramics fitted throughout your property, then hardwired installation is absolutely necessary just to avoid overloading your ring main.